Yen Kennedy now today. We also welcome a Comprako, Honorable Kennedy Ajapon, former member of parliament for Asset Central. Honorable Kennedy Ajapon, you are graciously welcome.
Chairman out to you, Randy. Was walking at the same snap and a cabacon, and they say, I didn't do. Or they that 2 year right, you are more than far and 1 hour today. A fair name for Chame, Madonti Ramaya said, upon Temni Barro, Wadum Eka Wubamwa, Snap on Nakamiano, Doko and Suoso and Naka Edriano, Wadum Ekita Sikai and Pimiano at the Eto IUM.
Mr. Samuel Basazale Aprebi, and now today, what they to IUM, Sika, or they to IUM, 20,000 Ghana cedis for and on behalf of the Ghana Immigration Service. Controller General.